As global leader in motors and drives, we help industries optimize their productivity in a low-carbon world with technology that improves decarbonization, energy efficiency, and circularity. And that work starts in our own operations, from how we design, source, and manufacture our products to how we reduce emissions. This includes direct emissions from sources we own, like our factories and vehicles, referred to as Scope 1, and indirect emissions from the energy we use, like electricity and district heating, which fall under Scope 2. In this episode, we take you inside our Helsinki factory to see how we're putting sustainability into action in our daily operations.
Hi, I'm Sini. Welcome to Helsinki. Let's take a look at some of the actions that make it happen. This is where you wash the variable speed drives that come for maintenance, and you installed an oil separator 8 months ago. Can you tell me more about that?
The wastewater circulates in a closed system inside the washing machine, and we change the water at regular intervals. If there is any oil mixed in with the water, the oil separator will collect the oil in a separate container, after which we can dispose it properly. Our long-term goal is to reduce the number of water disposals per year, saving both water and money.
Thanks for visiting Helsinki factory.
At ABB, we continue to work toward our global sustainability targets, and some of our factories have already achieved them. Stay tuned for more stories from our factories. Are you looking to make your operations more sustainable? Let's do it together.